Good evening, everyone. Today I am here, and this video only for transforming my life. Yes, for a long time I have a dream, and I also want to change my lifestyle. I want to follow discipline. I also want to control my mind, and as means I want to do everything as per my wish. But I saw in my previous day means I am also doing everything according to my brain wishes, according to my thoughts. Many more time I told and I accepted challenges means I will change my life within 90 days and within 30 days. But after a few days I was totally failed. Somehow I could not follow. But I am also feeling means as how I will give my life, as how I will pass my life, and I will be a normal and very ordinary person. So where and when and how I will bring a change in my life, how I will follow the discipline, and minimum before my death means I can say no. My life was very good, and I don't have a regret in my life. In this world, 99% people they also have a regret before death. Means I should do, I could that type of things, but I did not do. But when I think about my life, means I will be the another one person. Means he will also feel regret. No, because I can also and I have to do also. Yes, we also all have ability, but we don't have a mindset. Means I have to do it. So from today, I am going to follow this life, and I am not giving you any kind of fake motivation. And in this video, just I will share with you actually what do I want to do, and what was my daily lifestyle. And during first challenge for us in 30 days, and after that we will take another challenge. So in this 30 days, what I am going to do, and you can see means I am a Islamic dress. That's mean I am a Islamic scholar. Yes, I have completed my all education in Islamic center. It does not mean I am totally means pious and totally far from sin. I am also a human being. I also have a mind and I also have an emotion. My biggest problem means I also want to discipline, I also want to control my mind. But I am totally failed. Since 2018, I am also listening the motivational videos. Even my childhood, I am also reading also lots of motivational book and story of big people, how they become the very part of history. So from that time, I also have one kind of uh, eagerness, means I will also be the one. But I also sometime I am also emotional, sometime dull. Because overall I can say just I was not following the system, and I was pursuing the motivation. But when I think about my life very deeply, then I got no. Everything is going on so bad, and whatever I am doing, all things are not my as per planning. Whatever I am doing, all things according to my brain decision, not as per my wish. Every single day, I also feel pain, sad, and hopeless. But no more. this life is no more, I also want to bring change. So, what is my intention now? What will I do? Many more time I told myself I will get up early morning before namaz fajr. But today I am not regret. I am very regret means I could not follow. I know the every rule and regulation of Islam. I have a knowledge, but I am not feeling to say you shy means I could not follow this lifestyle. Sometime I did, sometime I break the rule, but no more because when I want to change, so from this side, I should start my transformation journey. Means I should start from this point. I should start a life from early morning. So I decided, means every morning I will get up 4 a.m. and last night I made a plan, means for today, means I will get up morning for Mo- I will get up morning 4 a.m. After that means I will perform the namaz fajr. And I also told and decide no every single day I will complete my five namaz by how and by hook and by crook. I have to do it. It was my dream, my past. Many more time I did, but sometime I also did not. But I also want to correct myself. No, namaz is most important, and otherwise I also have to feel regret. No, I also don't want to feel the regret. Second things, I also want to biggest problem means control my mind. Means sometime I also trapped in some habits, some problem. I also want to come outside from this zone, from this trap, but I could not. And this thing is totally destroy my life and totally downfall my life. So I have to come out. For this reason I took a heavy decision, means what type of things is the part of this life, I totally close them. Now I am totally committed to myself. No, anyhow any cost I have to change my life. There is no another option. Third, it is my dream to become an English speaker. I want to be a means motivational speaker and also to the people about life. But somehow I also did practice and someday I also not do. But from today, every single day I will work for that. And another things, most important things in my life, I feel this is the very bad things in my life. This is not following the consistency. So from today, I whatever I will do, I will follow the consistency and totally I will try to change. So, my dear friend, this video only for transforming my life, and every single day I will share with you my journey, and I will try to complete my all commitment every single day, anyhow, any cost. So you can also do it if you have a desire to transform your life. So you can start your life with us. I am here, and when I will so thank you. Jai Bharat.